if you guys want infinite crown wins, make sure to watch the whole entire video, because in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get as much crown wins as you guys want. I literally set it to 2022 crown wins. So this is over 2,000 crown wins that I have acquired, and I can literally join my friends and literally flex it to them. So yeah, this video is definitely going to be a banger. You guys can watch the full entire video, but without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, you guys want to exit out Fortnite, and you guys want to go in the link of the description, which is going to be a bit.ly link. I'm going to show you guys right here that it's going to be a bit.ly link. So once you guys are in the link of the description, you're gonna see this recognize link, which is right here. And then from here, you guys, there's gonna be multiple steps. So you guys want to go on the first step, which subscribe to myself. So subscribe to myself, and then go back on here and then subscribe to my friend Shadow. Once you have done this, if you guys are subscribed to both of us, you guys don't have to worry. It's going to recognize that you guys are already subscribed, so don't worry about that, and it's going to unlock the link automatically once it recognizes that you have subscribed. So yeah, it's going to unlock the link, so wait around 15 to 30 seconds for that to happen. And you guys want to press unlock link, and then you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and then free access, and then you guys want to go on to the download Fortnite dev. If you have to go through some steps, it's not going to be that hard. It's going to be very simple, and it'll only take 5 to 10 seconds. So you guys want to double click on the download. It's going to run it as an administrator. You guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. This is going to open up Beacon's AI link, and through that, you guys want to go on to the RexFN dev. So it's going to be another link, advertised link. So just go press I'm not a robot, press free access, and then you guys want to go onto the download Fortnite RexFN. So press save, double click on the RexFN download, and then you guys want to press run it as an administrator. So press yes, press next, skip all, and then press open. And then from here, guys, you guys want to go on to their Discord, which is right here. So once you guys have finished the steps, it's going to take you to their Discord, which is right here. So once you guys have done this, you guys want to go through the rules very quick and react to the rules. So yeah, react to the rules right here, and then you guys want to go on to the hybrid downloads. So once you guys are here, you guys want to go on to the download section. There's going to be multiple links, so make sure to pay attention very closely so you guys don't get confused, because this is where most people actually get confused on the video. So you guys want to go onto the custom installer. Usually the Google Drive link doesn't work, so if you guys can test it out if it does work, but usually it's not working. So yeah, you guys want to go onto the double click on that, press more info, run anyway, and then you guys want to go press 0, and then you guys want to go onto the location path file. So for this, guys, you guys want to go onto your desktop, so you guys can close the window out for now, and then you guys want to go onto the right click on your desktop, press new folder, and then you guys want to go on to name the folder. You can name whatever. I'm going to name it RexFN subscribe for more. I cannot spell for my life, but don't mind that. Please don't bully me in the comments. Actually, you can if you want, but whatever. Double click on the folder name, and then once you guys are there, you guys want to go on to where my cursor is. So you guys want to go on like this white space. So click on the white space and then copy the file path URL, and then you guys want to paste it into the custom installer, and then press enter. From here, guys, it's gonna download it. And yeah, it's gonna give you an ETA time. So with this ETA time, it basically means how long this is gonna take to actually install. I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna wait 8 minutes. So I'm gonna close this out, but it might take even hours depending how good your PC is. So yeah, make sure to keep that in mind. And then you guys want to go into the custom launcher download, which is right here. So you guys want to go on the launcher download, and then it's going to be a link for ties. I know there's a lot of link for ties, but in the end, it is worth it. You guys can trust me with this. So you guys want to press free access, and then you guys want to go onto the download website, press save, double click on the launcher, and then double click on it. And you guys want to double click on the launcher, more info, run anyway. And then you guys should have access to the launcher. And then you guys are going to need an authorization code, so you guys can have to go through another link for ties process. This is the last one, do keep in mind. So you guys want to press free access, and then you guys want to go onto the download website. So download the website, and it's just going to download the key generator. So just double click on the download, press yes. Don't have to double click, but just click on the download, and then press next, skip all, and then press open. It's going to open the key generator. So you guys want to right click on the key, and then copy the key, and then go onto here, and then paste it, and then press login. And then you guys want to, where it says your Fortnite 20.40 path, you guys want to click the 3 dots and then choose the path folder where you actually installed all the files onto. For example, I go onto desktop, and then mine is RexFN, so just do that. and then you guys want to press log in, and then you guys want to press confirm, and then confirm, and then you guys may be asking yourself, well, how do I get the crown wins? So you guys want to go on stats changer, and then you guys want to change like some of these to like, I'm just gonna do 99999, and then 99999 and 999. I don't really know what all these are, but I'm just hopefully one of them is the crown wins. So you guys want to press apply, and then it should launch Fortnite. If it doesn't launch on the first try, you guys can definitely try again. For example, for me, it usually launches on the third try, but sometimes it'll launch on the second one. I'm gonna pull it up one more time for you guys, and it should launch. So you guys want to go on to the change all these. And then you guys are going to have to log into your account. So once you guys do log in, I'm just going to keep it as 2,000 crown wins. So I just kept it as 2,000 crown wins because for some reason it's not working. But they do update this very often, so you guys do want to turn on notifications. So yeah, that's how you guys can get 2,000 crown wins or infinite crown wins. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment down below. But yeah, if you guys are still watching, make sure to comment W, by the way, just for the algorithm. And there you guys go. We're in, and we do have the crown wins, so you guys can actually check your crown wins. And we should have the 2022 crown wins. For some reason, the stats changer wasn't working for me, so I'm sorry for that. But you guys can obviously ask for help in the comments, and I'll make a video when that does update. But that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy and want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. It has been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.